to her. That is not really, it's got little carrots. She's telling me.
Yeah. I've got your bed to make, or Dina's there, so I can maybe make the bed.
Hello guys, this is Sophie and today we're going to be cooking some Halloween shortbread, which presuming it's just normal shortbread, but we get to do the design. So me being me, I chose this as a design because yeah, it's me. So we're going to be making that on the shortbread. So the first thing, also I got this from Youth So, which is a place I go after school on a Friday. I go after school and yeah, they want us to make this, so we're going to be making it. So what the stuff we have is 70 grams of unsalted butter that's softened. Then I don't know. We have a 30 grams of caster sugar plus extra to finish, and we also have 90 grams of plain flour. And if you want to decorate, it's your choice. I'm going to decorate it. So we have to preheat the oven. Have you preheated the oven? She's a bit deaf, you know. Can't say caterpillar, I need to actually tell her. Mom? Mom? Need to preheat the oven. She's gonna preheat the oven soon, so yeah. So we need to beat these. I'm beating up right now. No, that's the flour. I don't need to be beating you up yet. I'm sorry, son. Sorry. But you beat these up. I think it needs to put it in here and also actually beating it up. So I need to now put this in. Oh God. Guys, I'm going to start doing vegetarian because Mum's skin has it. It's red light, green light. Red, green light, red light. I'll go take You lost. How I actually got lost? I've got butter on me, more on my fingers.
Use a spoon, you know.
Well, I don't use spoons. I think I could just put this in and say it's butter. Just put the wrapper in. I'm so good at this. I'm so good at this. Like, no one can do this better than me. I don't think that is enough. How do I get it off?
What are you doing?
You told me to take it out, so I took it out.
What out?
The butter.
No, the butter should be in the bowl.
Yeah, it's in the bowl.
In the bowl.
It's in the bowl. Well, got.
You're supposed to mix it together with the sugar.
No, I need to get I need to get the rest of it off. Oh, I'm bleeding. My hand's bleeding.
Not in the food, are
It's literally me. My hand's actually bleeding.
Of course you am.
Do I put it in the bowl? Do I?
Eat blood cookies.
It's supposed to be Halloweeny. Is this a? Do I put this in? Do I put it in? Put it in.
What?
The butter from my hands.
Where have you got blood on it?
Yeah.
Probably not.
Oh, you want me to eat it? I didn't eat it. Okay? I didn't eat any of it.
Got your hands washed?
Yeah, I had to put the butter in. Butter's not that easy to get in, you know. Now I need to put the sugar in. It's just going to be a bit of a mess. I have sugary hands. I like this type of butter. It's nice. Now I need to stir it. This is my favourite type of butter. It's like when it has sugar with it. Oh, I don't even. Now you put in the flour.
Add it in. Might be better to add it fresh a little bit just to get right into stir it.
rolled it out.
Got it? Wouldn't you? Do you want to just flatten it, or do you want the rolling pin?
Roll. So now, if the design I want to do, fluffy felt, I need to do a little cookie cutters, so I could do that like that. Oh, like a big one. I'm gonna go for this. this. Get it out. And I roll it out again. This one I'm just gonna put this real big. So long this one. Yeah.
Salad? Yeah. I'll put them in the oven. You can say goodbye. 20 minutes, is it?
10 to 20 minutes. So we're going to be decorating the cookies now. The shortbread biscuits. So for my design, Mother,
What?
I need this to see my design.
Oh, okay.
So again, gonna be too. Yeah, we'll be doing this one.
That's you.
Onto it. Do you try that again?
I don't want to sneeze again. So we have some icing to do. The face is Jack. You don't have to fear anymore. Love is an open door. Guys, why are we all in complete silence? I'm not concentrating. Got this, gotta get all about it. Gotta get on all of these ass. Before we look at Monster Movie 2. Okay, guys. So, I've now put on most of that. Now I need to put on the black, so I'm gonna do the smile first because the smile's the easiest, I think. Oh my god, I don't want little mountains. Oh, push me. Why am I singing Frozen? Oh, I'm the best baker on earth. Not even that Gordon Ramsay guy can top me.
You're a chef, darling. He's not a baker.
No, same thing. Same thing to me. Go. I'm better than Rosanna Pansino. Oh. Yes. Yes, I'm so good at this. Yeah, I need to fill in now. Gosh, I gotta go fast. Why does the class just give my pupil? Putting on my knife now. Okay, it's gonna be top. It's gonna be a difficult mission. Oh, okay. This mission is gonna be very difficult. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm doing it. Oh my god, I'm doing it. I'm doing it, guys. I'm doing it. Oh my god, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm so good at this, guys. I'm so good. I'm so good. I didn't. Oh my god, there's a hole in the eye. Oh my gosh, go on and heal. Look at it, guys. Oh my gosh. Go down. I'm so proud of myself. Oh. I can't get it off. Guys, look.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I know, it's
Good.
Okay. Now, you're gonna be questioning why? Questioning, oh my god, you're not gonna have enough black to make all of them Jack Skellingtons. So, yes, I know. So, I thought of a great idea, okay, guys? I'm doing ASMR right now, so don't let me out of my alley zone. Okay, so now I need to get all of this icing, okay? Because Yeah, I've actually drawn out.
Well, I did some more.
Close up camera.
Look how the cameras die. Okay, guys. So. Okay, guys, so I'm going to make 0. You guys are probably wondering, if you don't know the movie, you're probably wondering, who is 0? Who's Jack Kenken? Well, yeah. So, I need to make a dog. Oh my god. They're too small. That's better, you know. But okay, I'm just gonna do it. He's got his shine.
Go on in, Ellie.
Looks like a snowman. It's not supposed to be a snowman. That looks like 0, doesn't it? It doesn't look like a snowman.
No, looks like 0.
Yeah. Do you know who 0 is?
Yeah, but
Am I kidding? I've pretty sure I accidentally hit the cat. Wait, no, I didn't even hit the cat. Okay, now this last person, the big cookie. I have an idea. Okay, I've had this idea that I've just gotten a couple seconds ago, or some minutes ago. So. Mash. Now. Ghost. There he is. Ha 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 ha. Oh oh oh. But then I roll up to the party with my crazy pink way. I can't get through the door. Hi, Ellie. Are you back in your bed? Yeah, you are. Wow. Yeah. Guys, I think I've been possessed. But you wouldn't. I actually challenged myself with this. Okay, so I have a great idea for it. So I've got me blue. I've got me blue over here, yeah? Yeah, so you see, this blue does not all look good. Anyway, I've got me blue here, so I'm going to put that on the top. Yeah. That did absolutely nothing. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get me little eyeballs in here, like. Oh, God, you've turned ugly. You've turned more ugly than the actual thing. Okay, that is not going to work. Yo. It's tell me what it's supposed to be. Guys, can you tell this is supposed to be?
Casper?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell?
It's funny.
No. I'll give you a clue, okay, guy?
Okay.
From Ghostbusters.
It's a staple of Marshmallow Man.
It's marshmallow, yeah. Marshmallow. I did good though.
Mm-hmm.
I know. Okay, guys, what character should I make next?
What character should you make next, Mum?
I don't know. Whatever. Just make some go.
Freddy.
Dad, I don't have brown.
Jason Voorhees.
Oh, I've got a good idea. Oh. I've got a good idea. Oh, that is way too much. Get that back in. Get that back. Get that back in there, you creative thing. Get that back in there. Very greedy, like. It wasn't greedy, it had the perfect amount. Oh my goodness, you silly thing. Actually get some on. Stop looking like I've just put nothing on you when I have put tons on you. Okay, so this, look. So we got like 6 of these, I'm pretty sure. We got 1 there. So now I have decorated all my cookies, and I want to see if you can guess them all in the comments below besides these 3, because I didn't have anything for them. So pause the video. In 3 seconds I'll tell you. 3.
It's about to drive you mad insane. Can never complain.
2-1.
2. 1. 0. -1. So that's Jack Skellington. That is his dog 0. That's Marshmallow from Ghostbusters. That's the other mother from Coraline. That's Casper, the friendly ghost. That's Jason the killer. And that's a weird abomination of Olaf. So, keep baking. Sophia?
If you like me, give me a thumbs up or subscribe.